And then the best way to know when to add the onion is when the garlic starts dancing. Give it to me. Yeah. Voila. It's probably a little hot.
That's good.
Yeah. And it's only 350 cal.
That is so good.
Been watching a lot of Gordon Ramsay recently. I watch it every day for maybe like 6 hours. I'm just kidding. I don't know how many hours, but too many. Yeah, I can do all these cuts even with my claws on. Rice is looking busting. Okay, so rice is 1 part rice, 2 parts water. So you can apply that to like anything. So if it's like you want like 3 cups of rice, then it would be around 5.5 to 6 cups of water. I usually do a little less because I don't like my rice like all mushy. You have to keep mixing the rice because it'll get stuck to the bottom and then the bottom will burn and then you'll have crunchy rice. It's just like not chill. But yeah, you could make this without the garlic, but I love garlic, so I'm making it how I like it. But I like to put like the whole clove in there. So I usually do 2 cloves per thing because I love garlic, but I'm just doing 1 clove per portion right now. And since I'm making 6 portions, 6 cloves. Lifesaver is avocado spray, because look at that number. Look at it! Then we can put the avocado oil in it. Oh, that's so much better. You want to put the garlic in first because it's thicker, so it'll take a little bit longer to cook before the onion. And then the best way to know when to add the onion is when the garlic starts dancing. No, the garlic kind of goes like this. And you have to freaking season everything. See, that's dancing. Since those are starting to dance, then you can put in all the onion. It's rainbow. Okay, while that's sauteing, now we can start the marinade. Here's the shrimp.
Oh my gosh.
So then you got the Himalayan sea salt, the rainbow peppercorn. You want to add onion and garlic powder. So this one's garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika because regular paprika doesn't have the smokiness. And this isn't spicy, so. But we do make it spicy with the cayenne. But you only add a teeny tiny bit. You want to do 1 tablespoon, or I'm going to do 2 tablespoons. And then you just mix it all up. I do another tablespoon. So definitely the oil plays a big part in the calorie count because I use 0 cal avocado spray and usually use like olive oil or something, and that adds like hella calories, so. No olive oil in this kitchen. Boo! It's not allowed. The rice looks perfect. Okay. So then this you kind of just like let marinate until the onions and garlic are almost done because they'll keep cooking with the shrimp. Sometimes I cut the shrimp in half, but sometimes I don't. The cool thing about putting in a marinade is that the shrimp will like absorb like the soy sauce and all the seasonings. So it'll like put the flavor into the shrimp. So like, So now this is like the perfect color to put the shrimp in here. So I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit. And you just dump it right in. And now you kind of just wait until the good stuff I got every single ingredient from Target, which is awesome. I want to add more soy sauce to add more of like the salty flavor along with the color. So I just add like a tablespoon to this and just kind of make it go all around, like get it all up in there. So now I'm gonna add in the egg whites. So I'm gonna kind of like make some little like puddles so that it can hit the pan directly. But it'll also integrate into the rice because the rice is all around. So per serving, I do, if I want more eggs, I'll do 6 tablespoons, but I'm gonna do 3 tablespoons per serving right now. Well, cause you know how like in fried rice you have like eggs, but eggs are 70 calories per egg, but egg whites are 25 calories per 3 tablespoons. It's a real game changer. Now I'm frying the egg that's gonna go on top. You can also skip this part because it is an extra 70 calories, but I don't like to skip it because the yolk tastes really good on top of the fried rice. Yas. And then you wanna make sure you salt it very lightly. And you know when to flip it when you start to see some of the bubbles. You want to try to get the whole thing on there and you just boop. Does not look like a perfect fried egg. Okay. So since there's 6 portions here, I'm just gonna do like 1/6 of it. Voila.
That's good.
Yeah. And it's only 350 cal.
For the app. Yo,
Pound it.
good job. Killed it. It was awesome.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go eat this now.